Hey guys, and thank you for watching this video of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a chicken soup, or simply put, a Waterzooi. Waterzooi, it's time to prepare a chicken soup. Really? This recipe was created in the Flamish city of Gant in Belgium. It's either a starter or a main course. It will go very well with a light dry red wine like a Pinot Noir, for example, or a beer. Being from Belgium, I guess it makes sense. And you can eat it with potatoes, mashed or boiled, rice or ratatouille. What you will need to make a Waterzooi chicken soup is 8 ounces boneless, skinless breast chicken, 1 leek, washed and chopped, 4 ounces of celery sticks, chopped, 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 bouquet garni, it's a mix of bay leaves and thyme, 2 ounces of butter, 8 fluid ounces of half and half cream, and 25 fluid ounces of chicken broth. Chopped chicken meat, wash and dice leek and celery sticks, peel and chop carrot, add butter in a Dutch oven over low heat, just like this one. Once melted, add vegetables and bouquet garni and let it cook for 10 minutes. You can stir occasionally. Then add chicken, mix, and let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir as well. After 10 minutes of cooking, it's time to pour the broth. Add broth to cover. Season to taste with salt and pepper, not too much because the broth is already salted. Mix again, and then you cover for 30 minutes of cooking. And then you cover for 30 minutes of cooking, always on low heat. Once cooked, stop heat and pour the cream. Mix well, then serve in soup plates. Option, you can sprinkle parsley on the dish. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as I like making it. Please give a thumbs up to show support and comment and let me know what you think about the recipe. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about the new videos. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.